Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can pin a Facebook post. So, of course, what we need to do is head to Facebook. And yeah, I'm currently here in my profile. And what you need to just do is, if you want it to be like this one, I have pinned a post here. You just head here on the top right corner of every post that you have and just click on pin post. And this should be replaced, and this should be the new pin post. And I have to tell you that this only affects those that is your own post. So cause if you're trying to pin this post, that is impossible because this is not your post. But what you can do is you can share this, and then you head over to your profile. You already shared the post, so wait, let's reload that. You should have it here, and then now you can pin the post. That's it. This post is now pinned. I hope you, and then you can unpin it like that. I would really hope you like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.